You are watching Biz-News by Panasonic Connect Europe. My name is Vanessa Lovritz. These are our top headlines. BBP, or Basic Business Principles, is the business philosophy behind Panasonic, which founder Konosuke Matsushita stated since the company foundation in 1918. Hiroyuki Nishiuma, CEO of Panasonic Connect Europe, explains the Biz-News how the philosophy of Panasonic's founder set the tone for the 7 principles that still guide all its employees faithfully today, and how they have helped him steer his organization.
I have always worked on business turnaround and business transformation. In executing these business turnarounds, the 7 principles have been very important in guiding me. For example, the purpose of establishing Panasonic Connect Europe as a new organization just over a year ago was to ensure the long-term sustainable growth of the B2B organization, so it could continue to contribute to the development of society and the well-being of people. The other principles are also important in shaping our business. It's the same when thinking about our team. However talented one individual might be, we will only ever achieve our long-term goals through team cooperation and spirit, and working with humility and being respectful. We should also show gratitude. A direct interpretation from the original Japanese principles translates to gratitude and gratitude, meaning to show our gratitude for the kindness that other people show us, but also to consider how we reward that kindness. Fairness and honesty are another of our key principles that lay the foundations for long-term relationships and ultimately business success. In essence, I use the 7 principles to underpin our approach to always try to do the right thing in the right way, and secondly, to never give up and persist until we make it a success. Despite the time that has passed, what worked for our founder more than 100 years ago is still as important as ever today and for the future.
Immersive 4K IP to AV. The visual industry is in constant revolution. The brand new AV and media entertainment product lineup is now ready to wow the market. Hartmut Kulessa gives us the details.
Thank you, Vanessa. Now I would like to talk you through the main product highlights coming from Panasonic Connect visual team in 2023. First of all, there is the all-new PT REQ12 series, a new 4K one-chip DLP laser projector. This projector will set a new benchmark in terms of picture quality, crispness and resolution in applications like immersive, digital art, but also rental and staging or use in higher education, universities and classrooms. The projector comes along with a new color system with the rich color enhancer, which brings the picture quality and the color space quite close to what customers know from a full RGB system like an LCD or 3-chip DLP, but on the size and the compactness of a one-chip DLP projector. The next product that I would like to talk about is the PT CMZ50. This is a really new concept that combines ultra short throw lens technology that we know from whiteboard projectors with a 5200 lumen high brightness to make this product very usable also in fixed installations in digital signage, museums, showrooms and any kind of public space where you need to make a large picture from a close distance. Last not least, in the projector lineup, there's the PT MZ20 series, a 3 LCD 20,000 lumen projector that comes in the same size of the previous 16,000 lumen projector. That means we have increased the brightness per watt efficiency to make a 31% higher efficiency in the same and compact form factor of projector. In the flat panel display lineup, we are renewing the entry, the mid-level step-up and the premium ranges of flat panel display. First of all, in the entry area, now a 500 candela per square meter with the new CQE2 series, followed then by the step-up model with the SQE2 that features high haze level on the panel finish, as well as an SDM board to retrofit the display with future connectivity like IP and IT streaming formats, or with applications like a built-in signage player or a wireless connectivity solution. Last not least, we have the new SQ2H series, which is the new premium flat panel display with a 700 candela high brightness SDM slot plus high haze level surface finish, the ideal product in any bright environments like a corporate boardroom, a hotel lobby or a shopping mall signage application. Back to you, Vanessa.
Can you build a full IP studio in 3 days? Anna Arkatova explains us how this is possible.
Can you build full IP studio in 3 days? Here is a quick preview of our broadcast studio production of tomorrow based on 3 principles. Offering true glass-to-glass solution, enabling full IP workflow, providing automated and remote control productions. All 3 provide media and entertainment professionals flexibility and control without sacrifice on quality. So let's discuss this in more detail. Today, customers are looking for ways to simplify their unique solutions, work with fewer providers, and aim for unified, end-to-end and all-inclusive systems. Panasonic is a unique manufacturer as we can provide a complete glass-to-glass solution. We have products to capture, process, and then display the content. This includes our market-leading PTZs, our system cameras, switchers, as well as our IP solution. Kairos, which sits at the very heart of the workflow, all the way to displaying the image on our extensive lineup of projectors and professional displays. Deploying IP technology is becoming essential. Our products are designed to provide you all the advantages and flexibility of a real IP environment. The support of IP leading standards such as NDI, SRT, ST2110 is already an integral part of our portfolio. The UE160 is the first 4K 5060p 12G SDI all-inclusive PTZ camera on the market. It is also the first ever PTZ camera to support ST2110, available through a software option. Another new model that are showcasing at ISC is the AKPLV100. This camera is set to facilitate connected workflows with superior image quality because it is equipped with Super 35 MOS sensor and PL mount for shallow depth of field and cinematic images. The camera also leverages our expertise in IP-based live production. It outputs 12G SDI signal from camera head while also being able to capture ST2110 without a CCU. Our show today showcases a complementary multi-camera setup with a simultaneous use of PLV100 and UE160. The combination of these 2 cameras provides the toolset to create a more unified look thanks to both cameras using the same level of image sensitivity. So now, let's talk about Kairos. It is a perfect tool to adopt IP by bridging IP to a traditional SDI world while offering unprecedented flexibility and performance. Kairos plays an integral part in our product portfolio, being ideal for production ranging from broadcast studios like ours today, or remote production and streaming of live sports and concert events. Kairos virtualizes traditional switcher functions, eliminated conventional hardware constraints, and utilizes an innovative, multi-format, agile input and output feature. The automated process in the studio is complemented by a combination of robotic solutions. whether it's KST Cambot, Panapod, or our PTZ vertical move system. The robotic camera systems support these requirements by providing smooth camera movements that can be created and managed remotely, while using intuitive software platforms that combine multiple systems. So to find out more details, check our website and make sure to stay updated with our social media channels.
Zero defect strategy, full traceability, and effective end-to-end material management are some of the current challenges on the manufacturing industry. Reinhard Windemuth is with Biz-News to tell us how this is possible.
Welcome at Panasonic Factory Solutions at our Panasonic campus, Munich. Today we show you our computer-aided workstation. You have a fully automatic SMD production. Some of your assembly, inspection, test and packing steps are still manually done in your production. Would you like to have traceability during manual assembly? Do you want to get away from lack of reliability and high error rates in your manual production? Would you like to have an effective end-to-end material management? If so, PGMA Panasonic Guided Manual Assembly is the perfect solution for you. The PGMA system consists of following components: computer unit with the required inputs and outputs, the interface and connection to the higher level IT infrastructure and database, the material assembly area including the conveyor, the Pictolite material boxes and barcode reader, Panasonic laser projector for visualization, high-resolution camera with high-intensity lighting for image recognition, monitors as GUI for work instructions and local reporting. And now let's see the whole thing in practice. Preparations at the workplace. Registration of the specialist worker by, for example, barcode recognition of the personal ID. Verification of the workplace to be complete and fully prepared. Assembly steps. Load the board and confirm by image recognition the correct position. Identification of the product by reading a barcode label on the circuit board. Pick and placement of two relays in the required order and verification by respective image recognition. If inserted in the wrong order, the image recognition would generate an error message. Mounting a capacitor, ensuring alignment through a projected photo. Installation of a connector strip, switching forward through image recognition. The system is waiting for the automatic activation of the conveyor. As you can see, with the patented autosynchronous worker guidance, no manual confirmations are required while production process. We distinguish the computer-aided manual assembly, as just seen, and the setup of the system, such as called the administration. Work sequences, work instructions, images and projections, as well as criteria for switching forward, can be put together and configured by the user as desired. Thank you very much for your interest. We're looking forward to your questions and a fruitful cooperation.
So we have reached the end of today's Biz-News, brought to you by Panasonic Connect Europe. We hope that you have enjoyed the news today. Thank you for watching and bye for now.